Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. It's Seeds the Sanctuary and my name is Brooke. And we're gonna get Christmas crafty. So just like I said in my previous videos or on my Facebook group, if you're there, I am planning on uploading homemade Christmas gifts, crafts, and more in the month of December. While I was shopping in Dollar General the other day, I saw these wood bead wreaths, just plain simple. It was 3 of them together for $10 and I got them on clearance, 75% off. So I paid even less. I paid a quarter of the price, really. So we're going to take this and try to make this inspirational photo. Can we do it? I'm sure we can, and we can do it for a lot less. So if you'd like to learn how to make a beaded wreath, stay tuned. I'd love to have you join. In today's project, all you're going to need is a beaded wreath form. You're going to need some picks, kinds with glitter. I'm also using garland ties. I got these at Dollar General as well, and I believe they were $1.50. And there's plenty in here, so you can use them for later crafts. Pine cones, a hot glue gun, and some scissors, and that's about it. So let's get crafty. First things first is I'm going to bend my pick, and I'm going to pick my placement that I want my wreath to be a little offset. So I'm going to pick out which way that I'd like to, and then I'm just going to take one of these garland ties and I'm going to wrap it around my wood beads and my pick, and this is how I'm going to secure it and also give a little bit more volume to the bottom. See right there, see how that's holding that on? And then we're just gonna go ahead and take a few more to about right here and then add one more up in here. Up in here. Friends, so I'm just taking this pick and I'm bending it over and then I'm wrapping it around the beads and my garland pick. Just like this, and even one-handed because I'm holding the camera in the other. We love simple, beautiful, and cheap crafts around here. See? And then we're just going to do like so, going up a little bit further. Okay, friends, so now I'm just filling out the base of the wreath, adding a pine cone that was collected from the yard. So, hey, that was free. Thank you, Amanda, for getting them. And yeah, I'm just making sure everything looks tidy and put together. I'm also adding a few of the glitter sprigs into it because, boy, we love glitter here. Anything to add a little extra sparkle. Okay guys, so let's break down the cost of this wreath. You can find these on Etsy going anywhere for $45 to over $100. And we made this for a grand total of under $6. Can you believe it? We bought these beaded wreath forms. There was 3 of them on sale after Thanksgiving, 75% off. I paid $2.50 for the beaded wreath form, which I got 3 more, so I have 2 more crafts that I can do for this price. And then I bought garland ties, and the garland ties package cost $1.25, and there was about 20 ties in there, and we used 4. And then this Christmas pick, you can find them right now at your local craft store for $3. I bought these last year, 75% off, so I only paid $1 some for this pick right here. So we made all of this for less than $6. How awesome is that? And it's so cute. Okay, friends, thank you so much for tuning in today to make this very affordable, beautiful wreath and beating the cost at the store. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you can join the family, and the bell notification so you know every time I upload and you don't miss anything. My channel is all about gardening, cooking, and crafting, and making life a little less expensive and a lot more full of joy and laughter. So, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. And if no one's told you today that you are valuable and that you are loved, guess what? You are valuable, you are loved, and you are so much appreciated. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye for now. I just love it. Thanks again so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.